Hey there, my Lego friends. Today we got some mail. First is Amazon. Second one is from Lego store. I ordered this in November. I had ordered 3. Yeah, I had 3 orders from November, and the first one showed up. Waiting for 2 more, but today we're gonna review those things. Amazing. I know what came from Amazon. Amazon show a very important thing for me. Ooh, Barbara, first time. Last time I ordered those, no Barbara was okay. Which I order, they in Amazon, they are Amici. They called Amici for the companies. Amici. What are those? Are just, come on. Those are cubes, 9 drawers, storage bins. I have a couple of them already. I have actually 1, 2, 3 orders of 6, so this is my 4th order of 6. They're very good. Their bins are like, compare to this, what it's like you can see almost double. This is double the size. But those I'm gonna have to reorganize those shelves, and whatever, like small pieces, like the 1x1s, 2x, like something small, will go to those small bins, or if I have not a lot of amount of them, like only couple parts or something, so they're gonna go to those drawers. And if I have a big amount of them or they're larger, it's gonna be on this, like yeah, those. They're actually using good boxes for them because they fit very nice, so they are not wobbling inside. Plus they're using plastic wrap around them, so it eliminates scratches or damage of those bins. So later I will pick it up. For now I don't have time for this. It's gotta be improvements. It's just what they don't have. It's like they don't have like pins, like on the bottoms and the tops, like those ones. They have like a pin, so they go in one each other and they are labeled stable. They don't have it. What they have is 2 holes on the on the back, so you can screw to the wall. I'm just like, let me show you. I have in here, I got stacked up like that on each other, and what I'm using, I am using, let me show you what I'm using on the side. On the side, what I'm using is the duct tape. I just put a little tape so it's not, so they are not, they're not moving a lot, so they almost steady in one place, so it's fine. I'm just using a little piece on the side and on the back to each other, so when they are stuck like 4 or 5 highs, they're actually pretty stable. Plus, when you're gonna put some bricks inside, so the weight doing so what weight's doing, it's like making more stable. Like obviously, it's gravity works better for it. Okay, good. I got one more. Yeah. Let me. Yep. Well, they actually have some small things, but they're not doing nothing. Okay, never mind that. Okay, beautiful. Let's put it in here for now. Okay, and now let me switch the view so you're gonna see the package of the Lego. Okay, so what do we have in here? It's quite a few items. It was the first order of from November. A lot of new pieces was inside. In December, I got an email from Lego that all the, because those are not standard parts, they was going through Denmark, so it had some. They had some issues, lack of production, and so everything was behind. So let's quite a couple of items are new. Got a couple of brown horses, the new one which are posable. Very nice. 3 different colors. We have a brown. We got like light nougat brown, dark brown. Let's say dark brown, light brown, and which is new, a white. Very nice. Yeah, those are like for the whites I bought for like king and queen, so for the nobles. Browns are like for maybe cavalry or something, for like a captains or supervisors or something. Supervisor, like captain or sorry, or like a lieutenant. And those I don't have so much, so they will be recognized. Okay, another one. We have 2 baggies of some like octopus, starfishes, shells, species, corals. Yep, two of them are like for the sea, for the bottom of the sea, or for the corals. You can add something like that. Very nice. That's gonna be I ordered this because I'm gonna need it, because I'm gonna make some undersea diorama. Not now, but in the future. So I already bought it, so I'm gonna have it. I got 5 of them, I think. Come on, where are you? Oh, I got mermaid tails. Oh yeah, very nice. Got those mermaids. Oh, it's gonna be, it will be better and faster. Let me get some of those bins, because I have to, all those soldiers torsos. I actually made mistake, because I made mistakes, so I order more, because I order, those are like I had 2 different types. I order only 2 of those, like regular soldiers, and those are like captains, lieutenants, like barons, torsos. So those I bought like I took like 30 of them, and those only 2, which I want to do. It's 2 of them, and I want to order 30 of those. So I have to make another one of 30 of those, because I'm gonna need the army of them. So if I order more, and that package is coming soon. It's delayed. Yeah. So let me quick take those torsos. Yeah, I'm saying it's a lot of them. A lot. It's always not enough. It's always not enough. I would like to more. So we have some of those torsos. Next, those new beautiful leaves. New leaf. It's like a transparent pinkish color, like, yeah, pink. That's not pink, it's more like violet, like pinkish violet, like something like that. Beautiful part. Especially it's gonna be looking nice for like hidden forests or magical forests. Yeah, those new parts are very nice. So I grab a couple of those. Then we have another one from the same family, you can say, of the leaves. Just the color, just grayish color. Very nice. Those new plant leaves are very nice. So those are dark gray. So those can be for like black forest, or like something shady, like a cemetery. Maybe in the cemeteries they could be in like dark forest, which is like zombies or vampires or so. you can use it for those types of dioramas. I grabbed one of those, like a fairy tales. It's gonna be looking nice for like a fairy godmother or some good wizard, or something like heavenish, or maybe some heaven, maybe an angel or something. Very nice piece. So I took it as well. Those in November was a very nice. When I saw it, all of those was new pieces. So I grabbed a couple fishes on that pinkish color. Very nice. Pinkish burgundy. And another one was those leaves as well. Very new color. I grab it. Let's mix plants together. Later we're gonna segregate them different. Let's do it. Also, what we get in here are also fishes, but those are glow-in-the-dark fishes. Very nice. 10 cents a piece. Glowing in the dark fishes. I grab handful. Those wings, those white wings, that are actually not glowing in the dark. Those are not glowing in the dark. Those are white, just white wings, or like angels. Can be used for angels. What else we got here is nice plants. Okay, now what we have is small skis. There are snow skis for walking in the snow. That's gonna be nice for some winter nomads. For winter, like I have a couple of Arctic sets, which I'm gonna make something with it. In the city, we're gonna have some place which we have an expedition to Arctica or some like Norway or something. Those actually, I grabbed those belts for my 501 clone troopers. We're gonna upgrade them. What else we have? We got in the two different colors. We got tan and we have a gray exploration hats. Those are hats for those soldiers, because like I sim in the future will be building army of those soldiers, so I will need those heads as well. What do we have here? We got that hairpiece. Very nice. What we have is only this one? No, I had two of them. No, only this one. Okay, only this one. Okay, lieutenant hat, pirate with the head with the hairpiece. I had couple of those. Yeah, no. With the brown hair as well. And those like winter hats with the different hair colors. Okay, then I have also, those are hair pieces. Those are hair pieces for the mermaids. But I will do some, if I'm gonna make some underwater kingdom, it's gonna be evil mermaids. Oh, they are rubberish. Okay, we have those cups, hoodies, and they rubberish. Very nice. I grab a couple of those in different colors. What else we got here? Couple. Those are actually this hair piece. I like it with a beard. For there are for like a caveman's or so. They're working nice. I got those furry like furs for the people which gonna explore Arctica to get them warm. So a nice new hair piece. And we got also a couple of those winter hats. Another hair pieces. And another one. Oh, pilot hat. Okay. Oh, this is a new piece as well. Very nice. Those are as well new hair pieces. They're very nice. We will do some. You're gonna need a lot of hair pieces. This one's like a funky one. Gonna need a lot of hair pieces, a lot of hats. Oh, I grab a little backpack as well. Okay. New headpiece. Oh, I grabbed like 10 of those. Those are nice headpieces. I grabbed like 10 of them. There will be nice for like dark elves. I want to make a dark elf, so that's gonna be their headpieces. I don't know how many I grabbed though. 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 of them. Okay, we're gonna have a small army of them. This new headpiece. I think I got 2 because I got one is like that, and the another one like this. Yep, like a mini thing from the new Lego Wave. And I already gonna make him yeah, this just the crown for this guy. The crown is actually in one of the orders from Lego, which he didn't show up yet. Nice hat. Oh, here you have another set like that. Beautiful. Gonna be another like a dark wizard. I didn't. Oh, this is nice headpiece. I have to take them more. Gonna make some mummies or something. Yeah, this can be the head of chief, and this one is gonna be like a mummies or something. Yeah, very nice headpiece. We'll figure out something. Here we have another new headpieces. Hair, new one, very nice for like a Japanese Chinese Ninjago theme. This is like a for like a warrior, maybe this can be used for like a Viking. And here, oh, rubber, that's rubber. Wow, that's nice. That's very nice. And another like that. That's a beautiful thing. What you can do, for example, this one is gonna have like a shadow cap. Oh yeah. And headpiece, you have a headpiece, new headpiece like that. You can do dark wizard. Oh yeah, yes, we can definitely do something with it. This one is like a scarf as well. This is like a wizard or dark elf. Even dark elves can have those capes, sorry. Very nice, very nice. And another 2 new pieces. Very nice. New helmet. This I took this one for like a maybe some pilot of a starship or something. Beautiful legs. Also new. Also they are new. Let's put this in here. In here. Oh, another new head. I just took one of each so I can see how I can use it. Another one. This one is actually older, but I like that skull thing. Yeah, very nice jacket. And here is another one. A lot of warriors. You can make a lot of warriors, but I grab also those kind of like for the beach, for the city. Like in a city and a beach, you can have another leg piece, torso. Okay, and we have 2 more torsos. Very nice. Index. Oh yeah. So let's just move everything. Those can be separate. This can be separated. This I don't need it for now. This can be separate. This can be here, here. That's also here. That's actually torsos. To torsos, we're gonna torsos in here, because this we're gonna move to the drawers. For now, to the drawers. Now we'll wait for more orders to come, so then we can what I can do, I can sort them. I would like to sort them in one shot, not like taking apart. Then I'm gonna have to look for it and need to build some armies. So, but in another orders, they have those parts which I needed for it. So another project on hold. So and today is Saturday, and it's actually working. It was working Saturday, so I worked half day, and now I got those packages, so I unbox it, review it for you, and now what I'm gonna do, take some time to continue working on the Forestman camp, and hopefully tomorrow I would upload some movie on this content. This movie is gonna be now on Saturday. I'm gonna make it and upload it on a YouTube. And Forestman, I will take care of them today, so tomorrow you could see a movie on the progress of the forest camp. And in between we're gonna build some of the sets which you can see. We got it in a couple days ago. We got it a present for my birthday from my sister. So those it's gotta be progress and build, and of course make a review, upload the movie. So if you like it, if you like the movie, please give thumbs up, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Have a nice one, have a nice weekend, and I see you soon. Bye bye.